Every desk has a bright screen. One woman holds only a bag of paper. Can she work with new computers? Stay with Elena to the end of this story and learn digital workspace terms vocabulary. Today is Elena's first day. She holds her bag of paper and looks at the many bright screens. A moment later, Sam rolls over and pulls the headset down. Sam waves, and Elena waves back. Near the counter, Elena sees a small plant. The soil is dry. She pours a little water into the pot. Sam leads her to the glass meeting room. Sam taps the big wall screen, and it lights up. Elena leans back from the bright light. Sam points at a folder on the screen. The wall screen only opens files from the shared folder. Sam waves Elena toward the desks. She looks back once at the wall screen and holds her notebook tighter. At the new desk, the notebook is still in her hand. Sam sets a thin silver laptop down. Elena opens the lid slowly, like an old book. A gray box asks to install an update now. Elena presses later with one careful finger. Sam hands her a white card with the password. Elena copies it into her brown notebook, one letter at a time. Sam explains the job. She must build the presentation in the shared folder before the meeting. Elena writes shared folder in her notebook. Nadia stops at the desk. She taps her watch once. The client comes in 90 minutes. Nadia walks away. Elena looks at the messy desk and the loose white card. She pushes the laptop aside and picks up the papers. Elena tidies her desk the paper way first, but the password card is still loose on the desk. Elena looks at the messy desk. She lifts a stack of papers, and it almost slides away. She lines up the mouse in a neat row beside her notebook. She pushes it a little straighter. She lays her color tabs in a straight row. One tab sits crooked, so she straightens it at once. The white card sits half under a paper. Without looking, she slides it into the pile to throw away. Elena looks at the neat desk and nods. But the laptop screen is still dark. The neat desk still has one pile left to clear. Elena gathers the papers into her arms. One page slips, and she grabs it back. She carries the papers to the blue recycling tray. The white card slides in with them, unseen. She brushes her hands clean and looks at the tidy desk. She gives a small, happy nod. Elena pulls the laptop close and touches the mouse. The screen wakes up and asks for the password. She reaches for the white card. The desk is empty. She looks under the notebook and lifts the tabs, but the card is gone. The clean desk gives no answer. Elena stares at the empty box. She has no password, so she lowers her hands. She goes to the recycling tray. She lifts out some scrap paper and looks through it. She turns the pages over one by one. There is no white card. She puts them down slowly. Elena sits back down. The box still waits, empty. The clock shows less time now. She presses her hand flat on her brown notebook. She looks down at it. Elena opens her notebook and turns the pages. There it is, the password, in her own handwriting. She reads the password and types it, one key at a time. She makes a mistake, deletes it, and tries again. The screen opens at last. Her shoulders drop, and she gives a small, tired smile. On the screen, she sees 20 client files. She must turn them into a presentation. She leans back from the bright list. She looks at the list, then at her paper tabs. She reaches for the paper, not the screen. Elena prints all the files and builds a paper deck. But the client comes early, and paper cannot go on the screen. Elena stands in the small print room. She presses the green button to print all 20 files. The printer pushes out page after page. Elena catches them into piles. One sheet falls, and she grabs it back. She lays a color tab on each pile and writes a label. The piles line up in a neat row. Elena writes the page order in her notebook, one line for each pile. She checks every line twice. Sam leans in the doorway and points back at the desk screen. Elena smiles and keeps sorting, her back to the door. She stacks the finished deck into her arms. It is heavy, so she holds it under her chin. Back at her desk, the paper deck still feels heavy. Elena sets it down. It almost slides off the edge, but she steadies it. An unread email flashes on the screen. She leans in and reads it. The client arrives 15 minutes early. Elena goes very still. She looks up at the clock. Sam rolls over and looks at the tall paper deck. Sam shakes their head and points at the wall screen. Elena looks at her paper deck, then at the far wall screen. She puts one hand on the paper, and her shoulders drop. Elena turns from her paper deck to Sam. She lifts one hand in a small wave for help. Sam rolls over and opens the shared folder on her screen. Elena leans in and looks at the empty folder. Elena drags each file into the folder. She gives every file the same short name as her paper tabs. The deck comes together on the screen, tab by tab. Her shoulders drop a little. But Elena does not trust the shared folder. She drags the finished file onto the desktop, and the folder goes empty again. Sam looks at the empty folder and starts to speak. Elena closes the lid and holds the laptop to her chest. The laptop freezes, and the wall screen stays blank. The deck is locked inside, and only the paper is left. Elena hurries into the meeting room. She sets the laptop on the long table under the wall screen. She opens the lid to show her deck. She reaches for the wall screen controls. A gray box fills the screen. It says, "Installing update." The laptop locks and Elena freezes. She presses key after key. Nothing happens. The circle keeps turning. Nadia steps to the door and taps her watch. 18 minutes left. Elena's hand freezes over the laptop. On the table, the locked screen still glows. Sam hurries in and taps the wall screen, but it stays blank. The shared folder is empty. Elena looks at the blank wall, then at the locked laptop. The finished deck is trapped inside. Nadia looks at the empty wall, then at the clock. She takes a slow breath and says nothing. Elena's hands hover over the dead laptop. She goes very still. Her eyes move to her notebook and her paper deck. The clock keeps falling. Elena stands up straight. She lifts the paper deck into her arms. Elena hurries to the copier with the paper deck. She opens her notebook to the page order. She checks the tabs against her notebook. The pages are already in the right order. She squares the edges with both hands. Elena waves Sam over. She points at the copier, then at the meeting room. Sam nods and runs back to the wall screen. Elena sets the stack in the copier. She presses the green scan button herself. The copier pulls the pages through, one by one. On the little screen, they drop into the shared folder in order. Down the hall, the wall screen is still blank. Sam waits by the wall, one hand on the folder. Footsteps come to the door. The shared folder fills up. The deck opens on the big wall screen in perfect order. Sam's eyes go wide. Elena reaches the doorway, out of breath, her notebook in hand. The client walks in, and the first slide is already there. Nadia looks at the full screen, then at Elena. She gives a small nod. Sam gives Elena a quiet thumbs up. Elena answers with the same small hand wave. Elena sits down slowly. She looks at the screen. She closes her notebook and lets out one long breath. "Wait, Please like and subscribe. It means a lot. Now, some new words from today. Listen and repeat.
Headset,
Headset,
screen,
screen. Laptop,
laptop,
password,
password, mouse,
mouse,
keyboard,
keyboard,
printer,
printer,
email,
email, folder, folder,
file.
file.
You listened, you learned. Please leave a comment. This is More Lingua, English. Watch next.